Hi there, this is Ramon here at Water and Wellness, and today we're inviting you to our April seminar workshop. It will be about consciousness, how to elevate your consciousness, how to actually merge your consciousness with the consciousness of the universe. All right, there is a certain power and electrical energy and that circulates throughout the universe, and we will teach you exactly how to tap into it and circulate it through your body. And this will help you in manifesting anything that you want. And the more you practice the teachings we'll do on this Sunday, you'll notice that your manifestations appear quicker until they are spontaneous. All right. Also, it pertains to your healing. Once you flow this energy and are aware of it, you can also heal and regress and basically any illness that you have. It is very important for you to be able to heal yourself with your natural given abilities. So we will touch on manifesting and also on self-healing. And if you're interested, we can also do some distance healing, how to send this particular energy directly to someone you want to help to heal. All right, so be here 10 a.m. till 12 noon. It's $50 and it's April 22nd. All right, see you all here.